Hey everyone, welcome back to Shifting Gears. Today, we're diving into a topic that a lot of you have been asking about, how to shift fast. Whether you're driving manual, semi-automatic, or even working on improving your shifting techniques for gaming, I've got you covered. Let's get started. First, let's talk about understanding your gearbox. Whether it's manual or semi-automatic, knowing how it works is crucial. In a manual gearbox, you'll find gears and shafts. Each gear has a specific speed range, and shifting at the right time ensures smooth transitions. Next up, timing your shifts. This is where most people get it wrong. In a car, you want to shift before you hit the red line on your RPM gauge. In gaming, this might be indicated by visual or audio cues. The key is to anticipate the shift. Now, let's focus on making those transitions smooth. For manual cars, synchronize your clutch and throttle movements. Press the clutch, shift gears, and smoothly release the clutch while applying throttle. In semi-automatic or gaming setups, practice the timing of your shifts to avoid jerky movements. Practice makes perfect, and there are techniques to help you improve. In a safe, controlled environment, practice shifting at different speeds. For gamers, use practice modes to get a feel for the game's shifting mechanics. Try heel and toe shifting for more advanced techniques. Finally, here are some quick tips and tricks. 1. Know your vehicle or game's shift points. 2. Listen to your engine or game's audio cues. 3. Keep your movements smooth and deliberate. 4. Stay relaxed and focused. And there you have it, folks. Shifting fast is all about practice, precision, and timing. Whether you're on the road or in a game, these tips will help you improve your shifting skills. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's something specific you want to learn next. See you in the next video.